Hello my students, today we will learn how to order decimal numbers. I can compare and order decimals to the thousandths place. When ordering decimals, we follow a series of steps. Step 1. Highlight whether we are going from least to greatest or greatest to least. For example, place the following decimals in order from least to greatest. So we know that we are going to order them from least to greatest. Step 2. If the numbers are in a row, write them in a column. For example, we have to write these three numbers in a column. Step 3. Line up the decimal points. So now we have to write the numbers in the table and we line up the decimal points. 0 and 3/10, 0 and 1200, 0 and 3700. Step 4. Put a 0 at the end of decimal if the numbers being compared are uneven. If the numbers are the number of digits is not equal, so we have to add zeros. For example, we have in the first number 1 digit after the point, in the second number 2 digits after the point, and in the third number 2 digits after the point. So we add 0 in the first number in order to make the three numbers having the same number of digits. So now we have to compare. In the step 5, working left to right, compare the numbers. So we have to compare the numbers from left to right. We start by ones. The ones digits are all equal. So now we have to compare the decimal parts. We have 30, 12, and 37. We have ordered these three decimal parts. Which one is the smallest one? 12. So 0.12, then 0.3, because 0.3 means it is 0.30. And the last number is 0.37. Now we have to solve page 93, exercise 2. Arrange in increasing order. In increasing order. So, step 1. Highlight whether we are going from least to greatest or greatest to least. So we are going in this exercise from least to greatest. Step 2. Write the numbers in a column. Step 3. Line up the decimal points. Step 4. Add 0 if the numbers being compared are uneven. So we have to add zeros. We add 0 in this number and we have to add 2 zeros in this number and 1 0 in this number and 1 0 in this number. So now we have to compare the numbers by step 5. Step 5, working left to right, comparing the numbers. So let's compare the ones digits. All the ones digits are 0, so they are equal. So now we have to compare the decimal parts. Let's see. 333, 350, 35, 500, 50, and 300. Which decimal part is the smallest? Sure, it is 35, then 50, then 300, then 333, then 350, then 500. So we have to compare the decimal parts. We arrange the decimal parts, then we have to arrange the number. So this list is how to arrange the number. Thank you.